First off, vibrant thumbnails flashes by. Neon lit tech gear, mouth-watering poke balls, glossy new smartphones, each perfectly framed for the click. Before anyone hits play, they fall in love with the thumbnail. Want to craft visuals like this in under 15 minutes? No design degree required? Stick with me. Hi, I'm Sylvia, and today I will show you how to create clickable, gorgeous AI-generated thumbnails and even subtle motion thumbnails using Flux Ultra and Flux Dev Model Trainer on getimg.ai. We will dive into the workflow, magic prompts, legal gotchas, and a few pro tips that rock your click-through rate. Ready? Let's roll! 70% of a viewer's decision to click comes down to a thumbnail and title. And with YouTube's Test and Compare, you can pit 3 thumbnails versions against each other and let the platform crown a winner automatically. Higher CTR means the algorithm recommends you more often. Simple math. Flux Ultra delivers razor-sharp, high-resolution images in seconds, plus advanced style controls that keep colors rich and text areas clean. Flux Dev Model Trainer lets you build a photorealistic model of yourself, so future thumbnails can drop your face into any scene, with perfect lighting and angles in one click. Everything lives on getimg.ai, so there is no need to juggle multiple sites or engines. Demo 1. Imagine you are reviewing the latest midnight blue smartphone. In Flux Ultra, my prompt is ultra-realistic top-down shot of a sleek midnight blue smartphone on a neon grid, dramatic rim light, 8K, plenty of negative space on the right for bold text. I generate a few variations, upscale the sharpest one and down. In my editing software, I dropped an image into a 1920 for 1080 canvas and add a bold top 3 banner and export. Want motion? Apply a gentle 3-second zoom in keyframe in your timeline, loop it and upload as a moving tablet. Demo 2. Food channel, personal brand. Now for the foodies, plus a cameo by you. First, train your likeness in Flux Dev Model Trainer, then selfies, good lighting, done. Then prompt, Flux Ultra, bright flat lay of vibrant poke ball on tropical leaves overhead, saturated colors, high contrast. Next prompt, man or woman, smiling on the corner holding chopstick, matching lighting, cinematic gloss. Export, drop a playful OMG sticker in your editor and you are ready. Need subtle motion? Animate sesame seeds drifting across the frame with simple particle preset. No extra AI model required. A/B testing. In YouTube Studio, open Test and Compare, upload 3 thumbnail versions and let the test run for 48 hours. Change only one element, color, text or crop, so you know exactly what boosts clicks. Remember the 4 C's: clarity, context, color, composition. Add style cues like hyper-realistic product render, soft cinematic rim light or 1980s retro poster. Specific vivid language beasts, generic every time. Review getimg's commercial license. Legal and ethics. Can I use these thumbnails for monetized content? Yes. You can. And what about a personal model? Get XP contest from anyone else who likeness appear. Avoid celebrity look-alikes. Train and use only images on your own. If you plan to disclose AI usage, add a subtool AI generated. If you plan to disclose AI usage, add a subtool AI generated tag or watermark. And voila, idea to thumbnail ready to charm the algorithm. If you want more AI graphics tutorials, smash that subscribe, hit a like, and tell me in the comments which Flux feature blew your mind today. I'm Sylvia, thanks for watching, and may your click-through rates rise faster than Flux Ultra spins up fresh GPUs.